In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to require email before download Gumroad. The goal is to make sure every download is tied to a valid email address so you can follow up with updates, send receipts, and provide support without friction. We'll do this by setting up a straightforward Gumroad workflow that reacts to a purchase event and applies smart filters. Start by heading to your Gumroad dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Workflows. This section is where Gumroad lets you automate what happens around a purchase or download, perfect for ensuring that access is connected to an email address. Think of a workflow as your rulebook. When something happens, Gumroad knows exactly what to do next. Create a new workflow by selecting New Workflow. Give it a clear, memorable name, something like Require Email Before Download, or any label that your team will instantly recognize later. Clear naming makes maintenance and troubleshooting much easier as your library grows. Next, choose your trigger. Select Purchase. This tells Gumroad to run the workflow whenever someone completes checkout for the product you'll target. Because a purchase event on Gumroad includes an email address, anchoring your automation to this trigger is what effectively ensures that downloads are tied to a real inbox. Now review the built-in filters so your rule targets exactly the right people. Has bought includes anyone who has already purchased the product, which is useful when you want to handle updates or redeliver files. Has not yet bought lets you focus on first-time customers only. Paid more than and paid less than are helpful for pay what you want products, allowing you to segment based on contribution and tailor messaging or follow up accordingly. Purchased after and purchased before let you narrow the audience by date. Great for launches, promotions, or policy changes. Finally, From helps you specify the exact product or source you want this workflow to apply to, keeping everything scoped and accurate. Once your trigger and filters look right, click Save and Continue. That's the confirmation that your setup is locked in and ready to run. From here, your workflow will reliably activate on purchase, ensuring that every download corresponds to an email you can reference for the delivery and support. Before wrapping up, take a moment to double check the trigger and filters you selected, and consider running a quick test purchase to confirm everything behaves as expected. With this workflow in place, you'll have a clean, consistent process that captures emails and keeps your product delivery professional and organized.